Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth connection problem in Vivo V21 or Vivo V21e. So if you're first in my channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth connection problem in Vivo V21 or V21e, simply first of all you just need to go to settings application and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.